So check this out. This is awesome. It's a road. There's nothing but graffiti on it. It's really, really cool. So we're gonna come back up here and ride. But it just goes and goes and goes. So thought that was really cool. I don't like y'all no more. All right, I'm coming. Oh, look at this one.
Oh my God.
I hit it.
I didn't even notice it.
Oh, don't be a...
We'll figure out something.
It's fucking beautiful.
Chris, we're gonna go somewhere to eat. Is that cool?
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll just go somewhere, you know, you gotta go nowhere real expensive or nothing.
Gotcha.
Try to find something that's middle of the road. Yo, this is the sacrifices circle right here.
Right?
This is where people get sacrificed. Oh shit, there's a car coming.
See?
Hey, watch the car. That's the sacrifices circle right there. Oh.
Them guys are flying drones over there. You see them? These guys are really breaking things. You come in here, just be careful and watch the holes. You got them on both sides, they're for the furnace. You can actually go down or come in and actually look up through these holes. So just be careful. This is pretty cool though.
That's a good photo opportunity then.
Did you do it?
No, I just got stuck up on the top of them trees.
Oh.
She landed a little hard.
Ouch.
Yeah, I don't think, I like my legs.
What is this thing you are?
So I was coming here and quickly doing this,
Right.
and that's how I was always just popping here.
It's right here.
Yo, them props sound like shit.
Retrieved!
Put that bitch up there. We ain't done with that motherfucker.
You ain't done.
Half prop.
He's a bad mother.
Oh, no wonder she sounds so bad.
Yeah, you missing a couple fingers there, buddy.
I missed a couple fingers there.
Yeah.
Hold on. I want to make sure I didn't lose that. I lost my ND filter though.
Oh, well, you lost that first. I guarantee you first try. They're hard to get. Well, getting hard to get.
I ain't got no problem putting that claw down the hole, but
Wanna play some tic-tac-toe? Let's play a game of tic-tac-toe. Yay! All right. Should bring a flashlight.
I've always had good luck with running.
Are you running reverses like Chris now too?
I've been running for a while.
For example, med tech, like EMTs and whole 9 yards. If you're really bad, they have IVs there, they'll do IV and everything else. And most people will do an IV to recover. But on a day that's that hot, if you have heat stroke, they can't just give you an IV.
Oh, hey, you want the fucking hole though? Ah, you did it. Plugged in.
I know, but I think I killed it. They ain't,
I know.
They ain't doing
Oh.
nothing. I think I killed it. I think I like literally killed it.
It's beta. Just needs unplugged and plugged back in. You guys later. You guys have fun flying your drones. Nice meeting you guys.
No, we'll wait for you.
They ain't waiting for us. They're gonna speed off as soon as they get on the road.
We're gonna take his tires.
Hey, you got a Ford too. That'd be a bitch. Jack it up, take a tire, throw it in your truck. And...
Killed that quad, dude.
Listen to the. Listen, guys. Listen.
She took a whooping. Yeah, now they want to float around.
I hear the bikes.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me take a ride. Me and Russell, what are you talking about? Well, guys, we came. I think everybody had a good time. We flew. I still have like a half a bag of batteries, but I had fun here. I got enough footage to make a good video. Randomly set on the side of the road. What? I mean, you pervs or something?
Man, none of us had no picture to show Chuck, did we? Of all the food.
Chuck sucks.
They don't have to. You know your worth. And you know that they are.
Who's naming these?
They
need to stack 5.
That's where you are different.
Hello?
Hi.
Because I would have started calling.
We
got some more for you! Yeah!
I didn't set my life up by trying to negotiate existing positions with people that didn't want to give me any more than they had.
And that
I did it by jumping ship a lot.
Man in the middle's like
they're corporate,
everything.
right?